Earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals with online surveys. Discover top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site has different availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When selecting survey sites, consider reputation, number of surveys available, and payout methods. Maximize earnings by completing profiles, taking advantage of free offers, and prioritizing surveys with the highest payout rates. Best practices include creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Be cautious of warning signs such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, and requests for private information. Surveys for money are legitimate and typically take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies pay individuals to gather market research and consumer feedback through surveys. Start making money today by participating in online surveys.